Hey everyone, it's Cherie. Look what I've just received. I thought I'd hop on here and do a quick video and um, do a haul video. I took advantage of the Stampin' Up online extravaganza sale. Did this. This is the paper and embellishments. So let's open up and see what I have here. Hopefully my camera is not too close, but once we get the box open, might be a little bit better. I love watching haul videos, so I thought I would do one with the goodies I received. Okay, let's get this stuff out of the way. Fun. Okay, let me see. Now, some of the embellishments I did not have, so I thought I would wanted to get them, and I stocked up on some other ones that I use a lot of. So this is the glitter enamel dots. I really like those. And I got the clear faceted gems. And I think I got the, well, we'll keep digging through here. Got the clear faceted gems. And then I got the, I just made a project that used up almost all of my pearlized doilies. So I got another pack of those. Now these I did not have. These are the Twinkle adhesive back sequins. And then I got the Best Route enamel shapes. Got some cool looking, all the different colors here. And then I got a couple of packs of these. But this is the red rhinestone basic jewels. And this is the basic adhesive back sequins. And I can't remember the different colors. There's several different colors in there. Possibly macaron. I can't remember the different colors, but there's several different colors. I wish I had it written on the back of the boxes. Usually I go through and get my catalog out where I've ordered it and write down what colors are in here. Oh, there's another one of the red rhinestones. And this I didn't have. This is the petal pink rhinestone gems. These three I hadn't. And this one I did not have these. So I stocked up on these here. And then I didn't have these either. This is the iridescent sequin assortment. You can see all the different ones in there, all different colors. I think there's like a metallic one, I believe. I have that one. Alright, then this is the metallic ribbon combo pack. Oh, gosh, I should have my catalog out with me. Hold on a second, and I'll tell you what these colors are. Okay, the colors in the metallic ribbon combo pack is shaded spruce and petal pink. And then this one sequence thing that I showed you that I didn't know the colors, that right there, that has mint macaron, pearl white, petal pink, Sahara sand, and soft seafoam. Okay. Now, then I got the rose metallic thread. I had all the other colors, but I hadn't, oops, sorry. I had all the other colors, but I didn't get the rose. Isn't that beautiful? I like that. Okay, and then I got me some more Stampin' sponges. And a bunch, okay. Then another thing of Fast Fuse, because it's still on the clearance rack. And I really like my Fast Fuse. This is the refills. And faceted dots. I had those. I just needed to get some more. And I didn't have these. This is the colored doilies. And the colors on that comes in here. Just one second. Okay, the colors that come in here: Coastal Cabana, Flirty Flamingo, Grapefruit Grove, and Old Olive. And those other pearlized doilies that I had, the pearlized doilies, these right here, I don't know if you know, but one side is pearlized, but the other side is white. So you can sponge it any color you want. And then I got, oh, here's those other, these are the gold faceted gems that I need to stock back up on. Now, I had some of the Joyous Noel glimmer paper that has the nice backing on the back now. You know, and the glitter doesn't come off. I really can't, you know, I'm having trouble with the glimmer coming off. But I didn't have any of the new that's in the catalog right now that has that same kind of paper backing on it that the glitter stays on good. So I needed to get some. This is the sparkle glimmer paper. This is the silver glimmer paper. These come in 12 by 12 sheets. I think there is 2 sheets in each pack. This is the rose glimmer paper, which will go really good with that rose thread. That's down here in my pile. Isn't that pretty? And then we have the gold glimmer paper. And then also I needed to get the 2017-2019 refills for the in colors. These right here. The powder pink, lemon lime twist, treacle tide, berry burst, and fresh fig. I needed to get those before they'll be going away the next catalog, the annual catalog. Next June, we'll get a new set of colors introduced. And then I got a lot of paper that I needed that I was out, you know, getting low on, and I thought, well, I'll take advantage of the sale that we have. So I got Whisper White and some of the new in colors. But that's it. I just wanted to do a little short haul video and show you some of the goodies that I got. And I hope you enjoyed watching. And if you have any questions about anything, just let me know. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'll talk to you later. Until next time, happy stamping!